InterswitchSPAK is an IntersWitch Switch a Future initiative.
My name is Moafe Bube from St. Patrick's College, Oka, Anambra State.
My name is Mukhtar Muklis. I am from School for the Gifted, Gwakolada, Abuja.
My name is Jordan Ademde from the Ambassador's College, Ota, Ogun State.
My name is Ebechkumodo from Gormik National Secondary School, Oba, Anambra State.
My name is Nodun Philemon. I'm from Nigerian Navy Secondary School, Navy Town, Ojo, Lagos State.
My name is Mama Fred from Leila Jesu College, Abuja.
My name is Obiako Clinton from Christ King Catholic College, Ogun State.
My name is Naju Sharon from Mountain Crest High School, Owerri, Imo State.
My name is Momodu Precious from Jayalson Estate Senior Grammar School, Lagos.
I completely agree with Kamsin McAdams when he said that we should not just approach STEM as a subject. We should approach it as a mindset. Welcome to InterswitchSPAK National Science Competition Nigeria 3.0, proudly brought to you by IntersWitch, transaction solutions you can depend on. The battle is still on. We're looking for Nigeria's next best scientists. And I have 9 eager super SPAKs in this episode that are willing and eager to show that they have what it takes to become the next winner of InterswitchSPAK Nigeria 3.0. InterswitchSPAK is played in 3 stages: the preliminaries, the semi-finals, and the final. We have 9 super SPAKs in each episode competing for the 3 available spots at the semi-finals. At the end of the prelims, we'll have a total of 27 semi-finalists competing for the 9 spots at the finals. But there can only be one winner of InterswitchSPAK Nigeria 3.0. Here is the catch. The winner of InterswitchSPAK Nigeria 3.0 will get 7.5 million naira, which covers a 5-year university scholarship, inclusive of a monthly stipend, a brand new laptop, and the bragging rights as the best STEM student in Nigeria. We're not leaving the second place winner out, as he or she would also get 4 million naira, which covers a 3-year university scholarship, inclusive of a monthly stipend and a brand new laptop. The third place winner will now get 1 million naira, which covers a 1-year university scholarship and a monthly stipend. I know the prizes are amazing. We're going to get on with the competition, but first, it is time for us to celebrate our SPAK hero.
Deji Akinwande is a genius personified. His story has been that of a man who sees a breakthrough even where science treads carefully. His groundbreaking work on quantum and nanotechnology has made him one of the most distinguished scientists of the 21st century. From Offa, Kwara State, Professor Deji Akinwande graduated from Case Western Reserve University, Cleveland, with a double degree in electrical engineering and applied physics. Stanford University was the next port of call, with a doctorate degree in electrical engineering in 2009. The University of Texas erudite scholars' revolutionary research on nanomaterials, sensors, and flexible technology has earned him dozens of international awards, which includes the DTRA Young Investigators Award in 2012 and the IEEE Nanotechnology Early Career Award in 2015. Perhaps his biggest recognition so far was when he was bestowed with the Presidential Early Career Award in 2016, the highest honor bestowed by the U.S. government for science and engineering professionals. Deji Akinwande is a resolute SPAK hero that has given glow to the notion that ingenuity knows no boundaries. We are proud of him.
Truly, ingenuity knows no boundaries. I am truly inspired by this SPAK hero, and I'm sure our super SPAKs are also inspired by our SPAK hero. So Sharon, aside from studying your books, what else do you like to engage your time in?
Sports.
Sports? Which one?
Track and field events.
Nice. Do you have a favorite? Tell me about it.
I actually admire, she's a sprinter from German. javelin, and free prize. Okay, so she partook in the Olympic Games.
In the Olympic Games?
Yes.
Amazing. Well done, Sharon.
Thank you, sir.
We have two Ebubes. I think I would separate both of you by calling you female Ebube and male Ebube. So, male Ebube, I'm going to get to you, but first let me speak with female Ebube. What am I to expect from you in this competition?
That girls equally has a chance in this competition.
Exactly. I completely agree with you. Girls rock. Who run the world? Girls. So I'll move on to you, male Ebube. What else do you do aside from studying?
Well, I play basketball and I listen to music at times.
Oh, okay. What kind of music?
Well, it's hip-hop from mainly Dax and Eminem.
I need you to rap about InterswitchSPAK. Just give me 3 bars.
This is InterswitchSPAK. I know it's gonna be soft, but I know I'm gonna SPAK, cause Oluwa got my back.
Hey.
And if you ask me, I'm just gonna tell you I'm black.
Ebube, that was really hot. As you can see, our Super SPAKs are so fun to be with because science is truly fun. It is now time for us to proceed. I'll read out the rules of the foundation round, okay? In the foundation round, each of you have equal chances to attempt 16 general science questions within a 15-second window. Marks will be awarded based on individual accuracy and speed. For questions in this round, the first 5 Super SPAKs with the correct answer will earn a maximum of 10 points, while others with the correct answer to the same question will earn 5 points. An incorrect answer will not earn you any points. And at the end of the foundation round, only 5 of you with the highest cumulative scores and time will proceed to the advanced round. Do we understand?
Yes, you.
Question 1. Which of these animals does not have red blood cell? Is it peacock, earthworm, frog, or snake? Which of these animals does not have red blood cells? Ebube Nwodo, the male Ebube. You provided the incorrect option. Please try as much as possible to breathe in, all right? Question 2. Which of these substances has the highest density? Is it glass, paraffin wax, gold, or water? Which of these substances has the highest density? All our Super SPAKs, aside Presh, provided the correct answer. Question 3. What is the change in the oxidation state of iron in the reaction shown? Is it +2 to +3, +3 to +2, +2 to +1, or +1 to +2? Clinton, Fresh, Ade, Ebube, and Phil, you provided the incorrect option. Better luck next time. Question 4. Which of these is not an application of the laws of conservation of momentum? Is it jet propulsion, launching of rockets, capillarity in tubes, or recoil of a gun? The correct option is C, capillarity in tubes. Aside from Sharon, the rest of the Super SPAKs got the correct answer. Question 5. The following phenomenon supports kinetic theory of matter except Brownian movement, diffusion, osmosis, chemosynthesis. The following phenomenon supports kinetic theory of matter except. All our Super SPAKs got the correct answer. Question 6. If log 15 base 9 equals x, find log 5 base 9 in terms of x. Is it x minus 1 over 3, half x, x minus 1 over 2, x minus 1 over 4? None of our Super SPAKs got the answer. Question 7. Which number represents the longest bone in the human body? Is it 6, 17, 14, or 8? Which number represents the longest bone in the human body? Question 8. 3 numbers are in ratio 1:2:3. If the HCF is 12, what is the highest number? Is it 24, 48, 36, or 12? Fresh, as you can see, you failed to provide the correct answer within 15 seconds. Please be faster next time. So I'm going to come to you, Ebube Nwafo. How did you arrive at your answer?
ratio 1:2, which is 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3. I got 6, and then times it by 72, divide it by 2. Just get 36.
Well done to you. We're now halfway through the foundation round. After the break, the foundation round continues. Welcome back to InterswitchSPAK Nigeria 3.0, Nigeria's best STEM competition. Proudly brought to you by IntersWitch, transaction solutions you can depend on. Before the break, our Super SPAKs attempted the first 8 questions in the foundation round. It is now time for us to look into the next set of questions. Super SPAKs, here comes question number 9. Which of the following occur due to temperature increase? A, sublimation, B, cooling, C, condensation, D, freezing. Which of the following occur due to temperature increase? Presh and Sharon, you provided the incorrect option. Well done to the rest of the Super SPAKs. Question 10. Solve for A in S equals half AT squared. Is it 2t squared over S? Is it S over 2t squared? Is it t squared over 2S? Is it 2S over t squared? Well done to Clinton Ade, Fred Ebube, Mil Ebube, and Muklis. Question 11. Bone deformities can occur by excessive intake of what? Fatty acid, fluorine, potassium, or calcium? Bone deformities can occur by excessive intake of what? All of you provided the incorrect answer. The answer is fluorine. Question 12. The point in the graph labeled T is called what? Proportionality limit, yield point, breaking point, or elastic limit. The point in the graph labeled T is called what? Super SPAKs, you can see your scores on the screen. Question 13. What volume of oxygen would be absorbed if 100 cm³ of air is shaken with pyrogallon? Is it 78, 21, 28, or 22 cm³? And aside from Sharon, Clinton, and Phil, the rest of the Super SPAKs actually got the correct answer. Question 14. Which of these hormones is involved in the homeostasis of sugar? Is it glycogen, progesterone, glucagon, or estrogen? Congratulations to Clinton, Female Ebube, and Fred, and of course, Ade and Muklis for providing the correct answer. Better luck next time to the rest of the Super SPAKs. Here comes question 15. Find the measure of X in the image shown. A, 30 degrees, B, 40 degrees, C, 60 degrees, D, 120 degrees. Find the measure of X in the image shown. Presh Ebube, Mele Ebube, and Phil were the only Super SPAKs that gave us the correct answer. To the rest, better luck next time. Here comes question number 16. An object will float in a fluid when its weight is what's the upthrust of the fluid? Is it thrice, twice, greater than, or equal to? It's the final questions. And our results are in. There you have it. Aside from Presh, the rest of the Super SPAKs gave us the correct answer. Well done to all of you. It's still InterswitchSPAK Nigeria 3.0. Our Super SPAKs just completed the foundation level. It is now time for us to know who makes it to the advanced level. Find out after this break.
The good life is whatever you want it to be.
Excuse me, can I get another one to take away, please? Thank you.
Choose Verve for the good life.
Welcome back. This is InterswitchSPAK Nigeria 3.0, proudly brought to you by IntersWitch. Transaction solutions you can depend on. Before the break, we saw our Super SPAKs battling it out in the foundation round. It is now time for us to know the Super SPAKs that made it to the advanced round. Congratulations, Phil. You have made it to the advanced level. And joining Phil in the advanced level is Fred with a total of 120 points, followed by Muklis with a total of 110 points. And of course, right behind is Ade with 105 points, then Mil Ebube. And of course, at the 5th position with 75 points is Phil. Congratulations to those who made it to the next level. And to the rest of you, I'm afraid to inform you that this is where your SPAK journey truly ends. Ebube, after that hot rap, imagine if you had not made it to this level, how would you have felt?
Honestly, I'll feel a little bit disappointed, but in general, I'll be proud of myself.
That is the spirit. Every single person that you see on this stage is truly a scientist, is truly smart. So I like that spirit. Keep it up. Super SPAKs, welcome to the advanced round. Here, each of you will have the opportunity to select your preferred subject area from where questions will be asked from. All right? You will all take turns to select 5 subject areas from where we'll ask you 15 questions. After the turn, you have exactly 45 seconds to attempt the 15 questions that you picked. Do we understand?
Yes,
you. It is also important to note that your scores in the foundation level do not count here. So it's a fresh start. To determine the order of play, our Super SPAKs must take a turn, with the fastest going first. Today's take a turn is a puzzle. Here comes the question. Match each element with the corresponding Latin name. The elements are iron, copper, tin, sodium, and the Latin name are. Fred has solved the puzzle. The Latin names are natrium, cuprium, ferrum, and stannum. We're still waiting for Muklis, Ade, Ebube, and Phil. Please make sure you match the items on the right to the items on the left. Muklis is next. You can move the items on the right by going up and down. Just move it up and down. Ade is next. Make sure you match it to the items on the left. You can only move the items on the right, okay? And yes, they have all solved the puzzle and we have our order of play. Fred, you're up first. So, are you ready to SPAK?
My name is Fred Mama and I'm ready to SPAK.
Now is your time to SPAK. Which element is represented?
Zinc.
How many electrons has a calcium ion?
20.
What is the chemical formula for washing soda?
Na2CO3.
The separation of petroleum fractions depend on differences in their what?
Temperature.
100 grams of radioactive mass.
Skip. Pass.
The smallest particle of a substance that can exist independently is termed
Atom.
a disease condition that affects metabolism of amino acids. The parasite that causes all non-living factor in an egg.
Abiotic.
What is the velocity of a wave 0.4 meter wavelength and has a period of 0.1 second?
4.
Well done, Fred.
My name is Mukhtar Muklis and I'm ready to SPAK.
Now is your time to SPAK. Ability to roll the tongue is what type of variation?
Physiological variation.
Lines found in the skull are called what?
Sutures.
An organ that is functionless is called?
Pass.
If the bearing of Z from Y is 190 degrees, what is that of Y from Z?
70.
Find the derivative of 1 over X.
Minus X is minus 2.
Find f of -1 if f of x equals x cubed minus 1 all
Minus
over
2.
Locomotion and the heat production are the functions of what body system?
Skeletal.
In what part of the mammalian body is the cervical vent?
The neck region.
Well done, Muklis.
My name is Ade Joda, and I'm ready to spark.
And now is your time to spark. What type of bond joins hydrogen atoms?
Covalent.
What period does oxygen?
2.
How many unpaired electrons are in the atom of an element with
2.
What structure in incense is used for respiration?
Tracheal system.
When naming an organism by binomial system,
Species.
Rhizobium in the roots of leguminous plants is an example of what
Naturalism.
The removal of undigested food substances.
Ingestion.
Fetus absorb shock via a fluid called
amniotic fluid.
The muscle that aids breathing is found within the ribs.
Intercostal muscles.
Given that A equals 1 over 3 and B equals 9, evaluate A root B all over minus A.
1.
Raised to power minus 8.
1.
Find the median of all the numbers between
Skip.
6. Well, I can understand. Well done.
My name is Nodun Philemon. I am ready to spark.
And now is your time to spark. Who proposed the atomic theory?
Dalton.
What is the mass of 1 mole of nitrogen gas?
14.
What is the chemical formula for sulfur 6 oxide?
SO3.
What is the equivalent resistance of 5 ohms resistors?
10.
What is a Wheatstone bridge used for measuring?
Skip.
Heat from a boiling pot of water reaches a boil by what means of heat transfer?
Radiation.
At what point of a body does its entire weight appear to act?
Center of gravity.
The charging of a body by placing another charged body near it without contact is?
Skip.
What current will pass through a boiler rated 12 volts 48 watts?
4.
Well done, Phil. Well done. All right, we're now down to the last Super SPAK for the advanced round, Ebube.
My name is Ebechkumodo and I'm ready to spark.
Well, now is your time to spark. What is the chemical formula for iron 2 tetraoxosulfate 6?
FeSO4.
What is the atomic number of an element whose atom has 10 protons and 12 neutrons?
Sparse.
Which element is responsible for the characteristic?
Hydrogen.
What is formed when an opaque object?
Shadow.
What part of the eye are images?
Retina.
LT raised to power minus 2 is the dimension for what quantity? What refers to the product of a force and the time?
Impulse.
What is the power of a bulb rated?
Pass.
What is the shape of the path of a bullet?
Trajectory.
Evaluate
Pass.
Express.
Pass.
Convert 100 base 7 to decimal. That's your last question.
3 and 4 3.
Well done, Ebube. Muklis, how do you think you fared so far in the advanced round?
Not that good.
I don't know if it was the nerves. I don't know what it is, but I just want to encourage you, all right? Well done on your journey so far. You've come this far. You're through to the semi-finals. Congratulations to you.
Yes, you.
And joining Muklis at the semi-finals, I have 2 extra people. Who would that 2 be? Phil.
Yes, you.
What do you think you have in common with Fred?
I'm not really sure.
Fred, what do you think you might have in common with Phil?
I'm not really sure.
Both of you are not sure. I hate to break it to you, but there is something that both of you have in common today. I'm really sorry, but this is where your SPAK journey truly ends. But well done. Well done to you guys. And that leaves us with Ade. Ade, you are through to the semi-finals with a total points of 160. Muklis and Ebube, you actually tied at 100 points. So congratulations to the 3 of you. You're through to the semi-final stage of this competition. You're 1 step closer to becoming the winner of InterswitchSPAK National Science Competition. I know a lot of you are wondering, who will go home with 7.5 million naira worth of university scholarship, which covers 5-year university scholarship inclusive of a monthly stipend, a brand new laptop, and the bragging rights as the best STEM student in Nigeria. You only get to find out when you keep watching InterswitchSPAK. Don't forget to join the conversation on all our social media platforms at InterswitchSPAK. I'm Hero Daniels. Until I catch you next week, same time, same station, remember, there is no substitute for hard work. Stay safe.
InterswitchSPAK is an Interswitch Switch a Future initiative.